Night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. You can see the fog's moved in. You can actually see it off of this light, and it's coming in this way. It is thick. I know. Give me a sec. I got to give him some loving. Currently 29 degrees. We have not been forming ice on the water for some reason, but tomorrow I'm going to have to drop the fish tank heaters in. I plug in a little 5-watt fish tank heater. Keeps it from freezing over. Works every time. Let's go grab some eggs and scoop the poop. Hi guys. Oh, there's my Rusty Senior, always in bed, ready to go. So it's not that bad in here. It's right at 44 degrees, and it's 29 outside. It stays well insulated, and just a couple of my cackle monkeys keeps them happy. What? Touch me not. Let me scoop the poop real quick. I didn't see you up there. Hi, beautiful. All right, well, we got two. Get everything out of my pockets. That's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. 6. 6 eggs, ladies. Oh, no. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, ladies. Oh, flying down. So my boy Griffin last night did pretty good. He slept in the house from about 9 o'clock till about, I think it was 4 o'clock this morning when he started meowing and wanting out and woke me up. He's being an anal dweller today. He really wants some attention. Gonna have to give him some floor time. Let him know he's loved. So Princess Buttercup's doing amazing. She's gotten really big. She's still not, I mean, she's fitting in, but it's like, it's touch and go. She knows how to get away from everything. Hey, that's my hand you're annihilating right now. So I got to stay here and kind of, either she eats up there or she eats down here with her treats, but I keep an eye on her. Make sure she don't get picked on. Make sure she gets her treats. Fred feeds her in that thing over there. Gives her treats, so. But she's obviously eating something because she's getting huge. Oh, hi, beautiful. She's still going. Oh, I gotta trim some poop off of her butt. About my anal dweller. Hi, bud. How are you doing? I hear the thud, thud, thud behind me, and here he is. He really needs some attention. Oh, look at this. They're gonna get along. Oh, here comes. Oh, here we go. I think because she's sick, she's not really trying to mess with her. What you doing, bud? What you doing, bud? You gonna do your wall trick? Okay. Now look at that meathead. He's after something already. You crazy nutcase. Well, I guess they're kind of getting along. What the heck is that? Okay, has anybody ever seen anything like that before? And throw that away. Huh. Weird. That's weird. There are 3 from the Winchester coop. Where's my friend at? She must have gave up the fight. So to get the girls through the cold, and guys, their temperatures are doing pretty good because they're small. If I have to, I got heated roosts in there I can plug in. They've got their flat panel on a thermostat that doesn't let them get below 40, so that provides protection against frostbite. And the Winchester coop, that's just a bunch of ladies in a well-insulated coop, so I think everybody's going to make it through this with no problem. It's just another winter. Well, Griffin was walking the fence line. I don't know where he is now. What I do know is that his new heated house and the gazebo the mom built for him, he's not touching it. I don't know why. I unplugged this one finally. It's not going to waste the electricity. We'll figure it out. It is a nice 72 degrees in my house. Stuff to fire. Go find my cat. Bring my cat in. All right, go find the cat. Enjoy the fire. You all stay safe. Have an amazing night.